guys, Mike Garrison here with LiveRC.com. Welcome back for another Thursday Testimonials product review. So this week, what we're going to be talking about, what we're going to be testing and seeing how it works is this right here, the PTRC Racing Diff Clean. So this is a silicone-based cleaner made especially for diffs. Now PTRC Racing oils, they have their own line of diff oils. They have their own line of shock oils. Obviously those are silicone-based. So what they have done is they've come out with a silicone-based diff clean that is designed to not only clean your diffs, make it easier to clean your diffs, do a good job of cleaning your diffs, but most importantly, it doesn't harm the O-rings and all the things in the diff that you're trying to clean. Sometimes guys will clean their diffs out with some pretty harsh chemicals, some automotive cleaners, various other things, which may do an okay job of cleaning, but at the same time, they don't realize that it's actually attacking all the stuff that they're trying to clean. And if you don't have a diff with good O-rings and everything's working smooth and properly, it's never gonna hold up, it's never gonna last, it's never gonna be consistent. So it's important to make sure that you don't tear that stuff up while you're trying to clean it. So that's what we've got here. We've got my Techno EB48 buggy straight off the track from the Roar Electric 8-Scale Nationals, which was 3 weeks ago, maybe a month ago. Haven't touched the diffs in it. I know that they're burnt up, I know they're gross, I know they're disgusting, and I know they need some tender loving care. So what better way to test out this new PTRC Diff Clean than with some nasty diffs that could really use some fresh oil. Let's try it out, see how it works. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got our diff all taken apart, and just as I thought, it's pretty nasty. Pretty nasty to say the least. All right, so what we're gonna do here is we're going to wipe out as much of this nasty oil as we can here. So one of the key things about this is, again, the idea behind it is it's not going to harm your O-rings and all that, but it also, a lot of times these other chemicals that you use to clean a lot of this grease and nastiness out will actually contaminate the new oil that you're getting ready to put in. So it could thin it out, thicken it up, cause it to separate, all that kind of stuff. So as you can see, it is still pretty nasty in there, but it's looking a little better. Get all this cleaned out. All right, so now we're gonna take our PTRC Diff Clean, pour it in the diff here. As you can see, that is pretty thin stuff. All right, I'm gonna take the cap, put the cap back on. Now I don't have the seal in there, I'm just basically putting that back on to give it a solid surface there. Turn this like so. Get all the gears working. Oh, and as you can see there, yeah, there's a lot of grease and gunk in that. Now, according to PTRC, we'll take our microfiber towel here, work this just a little bit. Wow. That's impressive. Set this back in our diff holder here. Wipe this one off. Just doing that alone, it came extremely clean. And a lot of that oil has come out. So now we're gonna do it one more time here. So now you're still gonna wanna take these gears out and clean them. However, in a rush, in a pinch, like what we've got, what we're pretending we have going right now, this alone, look at that, and that is almost completely clear. Back to the pink color of the PTRC Diff Clean. Wow. That is clean and in a hurry. No doubt about it. I'm impressed. So the PTRC Diff Clean, sold in a 4-ounce bottle, $10.99. You can get it on their website, ptrcracing.com. I mean, it took very little. I did it twice. Obviously, I'm still gonna take these gears out. I'm still gonna wipe them down. However, just what it just did right there, it got all the gunk and the grime and all the old diff oil out like that. I am really impressed with that. So according also to PTRC Racing Oil, if you use caution, obviously, you can also use an air compressor, compressed air, if you have that available, which makes the process even easier because you put that in there, you twist it up, put a rag over it and blow the air in there, and it's basically gonna blow all that out. Again, like I say, I'm gonna take all the gears out, still wipe them down, all that, check my bearings and all that good stuff, check the O-rings. But as far as the cleaning process, that made it super simple, very easy, and yeah, I'm impressed. So as far as that goes, 5 out of 5 on the beacon rating. Now, as far as attacking the O-rings and all that, I really have no doubts. I'm gonna take PTRC Racing's oil word on this, that it's not gonna attack the O-rings on that. I've been very happy with their shock and diff oil this far. It's primarily what I use in my cars. And I would say, this being a pure silicone base, this is obviously on the right track, and I got a feeling it's probably pretty safe. So we'll check back if we do have any problems with the O-rings or anything like that, that is apparent that the Diff Clean has attacked them or something. I'll provide an update on the review. But I gotta say, I'm happy with this. I think for $10.99, I mean, I realize you can buy a lot of cleaners out there for, you know, $3 and $4 for some pretty gnarly stuff. But to know that this is safely cleaning, to the best of my knowledge, and as quickly as that cleaned like that, I'm really impressed. 5 out of 5 on the beacon rating for this one. PTRC Racing, great job. Thank you for letting us try this out. So again, check them out online, ptrcracing.com, and tune again for another Thursday Testimonials coming soon.